Hello, this is Swapna. Welcome to the channel The Tech Outlook. In this video, I will explain you how to create collection, how to insert documents in the collection. In my last video, I have explained you how to install MongoDB on Windows operating system. Now in this video, we will see how to create collection in MongoDB. See, MongoDB is NoSQL database. It belongs from NoSQL family, which does not contain any relationship set, which does not have any ER diagram. So what we will do, we will simply create collection, we will insert documents and we will execute all the queries. So if we see the difference between MongoDB and MySQL is totally a relational database, whereas MongoDB is non-relational database. MySQL has fixed schema, whereas MongoDB does not have any fixed schema. Runtime, we can add any field. So here I will show you how to create collection. So before executing that commands, I will show you how to enter into MongoDB command prompt. So already we have installed MongoDB database. In C drive, just click on this program files. You can see MongoDB folder. Server is the community edition. Then 4.4 is my version. I will click on this, double click on this bin, and here mongo.exe. If I double click on this mongo.exe, you can see this prompt has been displayed. So once we get this prompt, it means we have installed MongoDB successfully. So now I will show you how to create database, how to create collection, and how to insert documents in that collection. MongoDB is document oriented collection. So if we see MySQL database has table command, a table terminology, whereas in MongoDB we have collections. In MySQL we insert various records, whereas in MongoDB we insert document, because MongoDB is document oriented database and it is a NoSQL database. Runtime user can decide how many fields to be added, how many values to be added. So I will show you how to create it. Here in MongoDB, we don't have command create database. Simply we use and the name of the database. So that database will be created. Now once we switch to that database, here we can create collection. So if I want to create collection, which command to be fired? db dot create collection. See, MongoDB is case sensitive database. So while creating collection, this C should be in capital. db.create collection into bracket, in double quote, we will give the name of the collection, that is nothing but student. So query okay, it means student collection is created under college database. If you want to see how many collections are created under that database, we can execute collection, show collection. So you can see recently we have created student collection, right? So student collection we can see. Now if we want to insert document in student collection, we will use the command db dot name of the collection student dot insert. So insert is again a DML statement which is used to manipulate the data. We are inserting data into student collection. So what is the syntax? Opening bracket, opening brace, and here I will use key value pair. MongoDB is a document oriented database. It always insert documents in key value format. So ID is my key, 1 is my value, name is my key, Swapna, I'm giving you the name, Swapna is my value. Likewise, class is my key and TE is my value. And if we write this into opening brace and curly brace, it is nothing but one object, because MongoDB uses JSON format. JSON is nothing but JavaScript object notation. So I will close this bracket, semicolon. So here you can see inserted 1. So one document is inserted, student, in the student collection. So if we want to see how many documents are there, we can execute the command db dot name of the collection dot find. So it works like select star from student in MySQL. So we have inserted only one document, so we can see that document in this collection. Guys, here you can see a newly object ID. See, object ID is nothing but it is unique to each and every document, and it acts as a primary key, and that primary key is nothing but unique value to that document which is generated by the system. This value, this object ID has 12 bytes in size, which is generated automatically by the system. So here you can see it is unique to this document, but you can see it if I insert another document. Now I will insert id colon 2. See, again I will insert third one. Then I okay, so 3 documents I have inserted. If I will execute db.student.find, here you can see each and every document has unique object ID. Here it is 403, 404, 405, right? Which is nothing but acting as a primary key, but that is generated internally. See, here I have shown you how to insert document, but at a time we can insert multiple documents in the collection. For that we use insert many. So I will execute insert many, and what is the syntax that you can see, guys? Here insert many, after that opening bracket, and then I will use square bracket. Then this is my first object. Now I will take 4. Then it is runtime, we can decide any field, right? So name, suppose Anita. Then class AC, I can add address also, address colon Mumbai. This is my first object. See, whatever we are writing in the brace, that is nothing but one object. So object is in the fashion key value. Key, this is value. This is key, this is value. Right? And that is called a JSON format. In the second bracket, I will write another object. ID colon 5, comma, name colon Amita. Then I can take only 2 fields, doesn't matter, it does not have any fixed schema, so we can have only 2 fields also, comma, I will take another id colon, same id also I can take because it does not have any primary key, so we can have the same records also. Name colon, I will take Sanika. Then I will take address, then it is Pune. Then this bracket is completed, right? So here you can see in the first one I have id 4, id 5, id 5 again, and then I will close it. Okay, so guys, here you can see at a time we have inserted 3 documents in student collection with id 4, with id 5, and again id 5, right? Same record, same document also we can insert in that collection. So acknowledge true, insert IDs. Now three documents are inserted, so each and every document has unique object ID 406, 407, and 408, right? So if now we want to see how many documents are there in that collection, we can execute db.student.find. So here you can see the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and fifth again. Again, fifth has only ID and name. So it is a schema list. It shows it is a schema list. If we want to present that documents in well manner, so we use pretty command dot pretty. So here we can see all the documents in proper manner. ID, then its key value pairs. So here I have shown you in this video, I have shown you how to create database, basically how we are using database, how to use database, how to create collection, how to insert one document, how to insert many documents, and how to display all the documents that are there in the collection. Now, if I want to see how many databases are there, I can execute show DBs. So here you can see how many databases are there. So college is the database which we have created recently in this video, right? So in my next video, I will explain you how to execute update command, how to execute delete command on the given collection. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.